Show your grandmas and grandpas how you go down your slide. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Say hi, Uncle and Auntie. And good job. Go down your slide. Show them how you go down your slide. Woohoo! That's pretty fun. Fancy new slide you have.
Put the hose back in so you can fill it with water. Put the hose back in.
Well, get out.
Yeah, put it back in.
All the way in. It's going kind of hard, huh? She's gonna get you soaked.
There you go.
Good job. More hose, more hose. Good job there. Now it'll stay.
More hose.
There you go. Daddy fixed it for you.
Ready, go.
Whee! Ready, go! Woohoo! Say ta-da!
Ta-da.
Serious. Look at Mommy. Say ta-da!
Ta-da.
Say I love you.
I love you, guys. I love you, Papa.
I love you, Grandpa. Good job.
I love